Every Filipino household makes adobo differently. More vinegar, more soy, sugar or no sugar, coconut milk or none at all. This is how I make it real technique, built on what I learned and what I've changed over the years. 1. Gathering adobo ingredients. 2 pounds of chicken thighs, bone in, skin on. A whole head of garlic, crushed. Soy sauce, white vinegar, bay leaves, whole black peppercorns, a little sugar. 2. Marinating. Chicken goes into the soy sauce and vinegar together with the garlic, bay leaves, and peppercorns. 30 minutes, minimum longer if you've got the time. Don't skip the marinate, that's where the flavor actually starts. 3. Searing. Chicken out of the marinade, pat it dry. Sear it skin side down first, hard until it's deeply browned. That crust doesn't come from the sauce, it comes from the pan. 4. Simmering. Marinade goes into the pan, chicken back in. Bring it up, then drop it to a simmer. Cover it 25 minutes until the chicken's tender and the sauce has reduced down thick and glossy. A little sugar at the end balances the vinegar. Don't skip it, or it stays sharp instead of rounded. 5. Gathering fried rice ingredients. Garlic fried rice needs day-old rice. Fresh rice turns to mush in the pan. Garlic, oil, salt. 6. Cooking fried rice. Garlic and cold oil, let it slowly turn golden and crisp. That's the flavor base. Pull the crisped garlic out, set it aside. Rice into that same garlic oil, breaking up every clump with the back of the spoon. Salt to taste. Garlic bits back on top at the end. 7. Gathering buko pandan ingredients. Buko pandan for dessert. Young coconut meat, coconut water, pandan flavored gelatin, condensed milk, cream. 8. Making buko pandan. Gelatin set and cut into small cubes. Coconut meat, gelatin cubes, condensed milk, and cream folded together into the fridge at least an hour until it's cold and set. 9. Plating. Adobo and its sauce over the fried rice, crispy garlic scattered on top. Buko pandan chilled and ready on the side. This isn't the only way to make adobo, it's just the way I make it, and after enough years in a kitchen, that's the version that's mine. Follow Chef Dale's Illustrated Kitchen for more recipes.